My dear students of class 8, today I am going to present you a very important chapter, that is conservation of plants and animals. In this chapter we will learn about biodiversity, flora and fauna, the role of forest. We will study about deforestation and its effects. We will study about various protected areas and their importances. And finally, we will study about the conservation of this wildlife and recycling of paper. So, let's start with the introductory part today. Dear children, before going deep in the topic, let us just have an introduction about the topic. Now, our planet Earth has a huge variety of plants and animals. These are found in different places like desert, grassland, mountain, forest. Neither plants nor animals can exist alone. They are dependent on each other for various purposes, and both of them depend upon the non living components of the environment like air, water, climate, soil, etc. So, life of an organism depends upon the living as well as the non living things present around it. All the living components around the organism, that is, the non living components like air, water, soil, etc., of a particular place together form an ecosystem. So, biosphere is that part of the earth where the life exists. Biodiversity. Biodiversity stands for biological diversity. It is a term used to describe the variety of life form found on the earth. This includes all type of life forms like plants, animals, microbes and the connections between them. The different aspects of biodiversity all have a very strong influence on each other. We have just started to understand the relationships between living and non-living component of the environment. India, it is a land of rich biodiversity. India is rich in its culture, heritage, language, etc. But although India also shows a very rich biodiversity of its various type of habitats like tropics, rainforest, temperate forest, mountains, desert, coastal lands, delta, etc. India has a wide variety of flora and fauna, and for this reason India is known as one of the mega diverse countries of the world. Flora. Flora refers to the plants and fauna refers to the wildlife respectively. The term is often used to refer to indigenous plants and wildlife of a geographical region. Both are collective terms referring to groups of plants and wildlife specific to a region or a time period. For example, the flora and fauna of a warm region may consist of tropical to warm temperate vegetations and exotic species of birds. As flora and fauna has various types, the environment in which they survive also varies. Like, for example, aquatic flora and aquatic fauna of a region refers to the plants and animals life found in the waters. In the same way, the terrestrial flora and fauna are those plants and animals that survive on the land. Forests. Forests are one of the very important natural resources on this earth. It covers the earth like a green blanket. The forests not only produce various type of goods but also provide several environmental services which are very essential for life. So here let me discuss about two types of uses of the forest. One is the economic use and another is the ecological use. Economical use of forest. The forests provide a large number of commercial goods which include timber, firewood, pulpwood, food items, gums, resins, non-edible oils, rubbers, fibers, lac, bamboo canes, fodder, medicines, drugs and many more items. Ecological uses. Production of oxygen. Production of oxygen by photosynthesis is a vital process for life on this earth. Reducing global warming. The main greenhouse gas carbon dioxide is absorbed by the forest as a raw material for photosynthesis, providing habitat for wildlife, regulating hydrological cycles, conserving soil, and checking pollutions. So, my dear students, this was all about the introductory part of this chapter. In the upcoming videos, I am going to discuss about deforestation, its effects on the environment, the protected areas, red data book, conservation of forest and wildlife, and thereafter recycling of paper. So many topics are still left from this chapter. To know more about it, you have to subscribe my channel. And if you have found this topic interesting and wonderful, please don't do delay to press the like button, and please do share it with your friends if you think they will be benefited. Stay tuned with me. Stay happy. Thanks for watching. Bye.